Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you're all well. So today we are going to do a massive clothing haul. The past 2-3 weeks I've accumulated quite a few stuff from online shopping, just going to London during my days off. I've been spending quite a lot of money. Maybe way too much. So yeah, I thought what a better way to show you guys than to do a clothing haul. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the item I picked up in Shoreditch, Rokit Shoreditch. That's such a tongue twister, Rokit Shoreditch. Oh, okay, maybe not. So I got this bum bag and it just says maple leaf in it. Has lots of compartments, which is why I bought it. I like having lots of different compartments where I can put my credit card, some lip gloss, you know what I mean. And yeah, it's just very cute. I went to Rokit in Covent Garden and I picked up 2 trousers. So the first thing I picked up is this Levi's mom jeans. Very essential in everyone's wardrobe. Obviously, I was very happy because it's Levi's, you know, you can't go wrong with a Levi. The next thing I picked up is this yellow mom jeans. I thought the color was really nice, and I have a yellow denim jacket that is like a few shades darker. It would go very well as a like nice denim tuxedo vibe. And the next thing we'll go to is Brooklyn Vintage. So when I went in the shop, the first thing I saw is actually this. I mean, look at it. Look at it. So on my way to the fitting room, I saw this bum bag, which I thought looked really nice, and because it's green it would go very well, you know, color coordination and all that. So I thought, oh, let me try that on and just like see how it goes, if it looks nice. As I was getting close to the fitting room, I saw this top, a Hawaiian shirt top with like a rusty orange brown color, and also obviously because of the palm trees there's green, and I thought it was just like a perfect match. So Mennace has a pop-up shop in Box Park. It's menswear, so everything I got is in the size small, but they all come up quite big on me just because obviously it's menswear. So the first thing I got is this top t-shirt that says "Here for cool vibes." I thought it was really nice, and because it's quite big it's gonna be like a t-shirt dress on me, which I don't mind at all. I live for that type of tops. Another thing I got from Mennace is this jumper, this hoodie. Kind of reminds me of New York taxis, but that's not a problem, is it? So I got that. Thought it was really nice and cute and vibrant. Take a shot whenever I say cute, okay? First thing I got in Missguided is this yellow crop top with like a bell sleeve, which I thought was very cute. It's just a really nice like summer essential to have in your wardrobe. Picked up another trousers from Missguided as well, which is just this high-waisted flared with some buttons at the bottom trousers kind of vibe. Like I said, I don't really have a lot of trousers. Most of the time I buy like tops online, so I needed a few trousers, and I thought since it's white it would go very well with pretty much everything I have. Another one I picked up from Missguided is this cropped sweater, navy, red, white, as you can see, and it just says USA. And I really like this top because at the moment we're spring in the UK, so it's nice and warm during the day, but it gets quite cold as the day goes by. Also, last but not least is this sweater. I don't know why I got things that says USA. I've never been to America, but you know, still representing. Why not? Yeah, so that's the last thing I got from Missguided. Okay, so and the last shop is Zaful. I'm sure you've all heard of Zaful. First thing I picked up is this cute crop top that just has like those two white stripes on the side, very edgy. This one is yellow, has a really nice silver hardware zip, which I love. So you've got yellow, navy, and at the back it's just got this cat thing logo happening. I don't really know what it means, but it's cute. So yeah, really nice to throw on again, like I said, later on the day when it gets a bit nippy. The last jumper that I got from Zaful or online is this white crop top. Another basic thing I got from Zaful is this black crop top. I'm sure you guys all have seen it online. It's a dupe for IUMI's top. The next thing I got is really cute red cropped that says honey on it. I don't know why, but I feel like once I wear this I'll just look really cute and sweet and innocent. And last but not least, this is probably my favorite item out of all this stuff that I've accumulated. It's a bodysuit. So it says written and directed by Quentin Tarantino, and obviously Kill Bill vibes. I think it's just so stunning. When I saw it, I was like,
I definitely need to have it.
So I also picked up a few glasses from Zaful. They're so cheap and so nice. Plain small cat eye glasses. How vogue do I look?
Say no more.
And I be talking shit like I ain't scared to lose a fist fight. And she grabbing on my.
Well, the next glasses I picked up from Zaful is this one. Oh my god. Or whatever.
Yeah, watch your man. You should watch your mouth. Bitches is pressed.
And last but not least is this square framed glasses. I don't know why, but it gives me like Dolce and Gabbana vibes. And you put this on like this and you're like,
I'm a rich bitch.
it just like vamps up the whole outfit when you wear glasses. So that is everything I've got for this haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and if you want to see more of this types of video, just let me know in the comments down below. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, yabbity yabba da. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.